My mom was facing acidity issues since morning, so I went to the nearby medical shop and हम ज़्यादातर medicines वहीं से लेते हैं and I asked कि एक कोई indigestion की दवाई दे दीजिए. So the shopkeeper gave me Rantac. I asked कि भैया इससे ठीक हो जाएगा ना? He said कि मैम ये मार्केट में बेस्ट है. Now, just out of random curiosity, I checked कि which company manufactures this medicine and it was JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Gupta and this is a new series on stock insights that we are going to start on Elearnmarkets YouTube channel. The video will come on every Monday at 5 p.m. so stay tuned. So which company were we talking about? We were talking about JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. अब बात जब स्टार्ट ही की है, so let's talk more about this company. Well, JB is one of the India's fastest growing pharmaceutical companies. So what is the buzz? Why are we talking about it now? Well, a very well-known private equity player, KKR, has acquired a 54% stake through one of its subsidiary in JB Chemicals. Now, what is so special about it? Well, KKR, which is the private equity player, has appointed Nikhil Chopra, who is the CEO of Cipla, as the new CEO of JB Chemicals. The new management team has already launched the respiratory division. It has tapped into the existing sales force for the newer therapies and made a few acquisitions as well to diversify into new therapies. ये कंपनी अपने आप को इंडिया के टॉप 20 फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनीज में देखना चाहती है. Now, the two acquisitions that I just mentioned were Senzyme and Azmarda, and their acquisition establishes the road ahead and future plans of the company. अब हम इसके रेवेन्यू की बात करेंगे. So we see a clear year-on-year growth in sales and net profit for the last 5 years. अभी currently जो इसका revenue bifurcation है उसमें से 48.4% of the revenue comes from domestic formulations. But it aims to become a leader in CMO segment on which it also already has a decent hold. It wants to become a global contract manufacturer organization leader in the medicated and herbal lozenge category. अब जब हम herbal lozenge की बात करें, so how can we forget these two famous brands, which is one is Vicks की गोली लो खिच दूर करो and Strepsils. Yes, ये जो lozenge जो हम खाते हैं जब हमारी खराश होती है गले में, ये इसी कंपनी ने बनाया है. If you want to give a good detailed read about what we have just spoken or discussed, check our blog section at blog.stockedge.com. And you know what? In case you have this company in your portfolio, if you're looking for the companies to invest in, check our Edge report section for the detailed study. And not to forget to go one step ahead, we have StockEdge Club for you, where you will get direct advice from the experts on these stock-specific queries. Do check the description for more details. See you next Monday with one more Stock Insights.